Here's what baking soda can do for your body. There are many natural remedies that provide hidden health benefits for our body. Take baking soda, for example. It's mainly recognized for causing dough to rise by producing carbon dioxide. Before we get started, don't forget to join the Bestie universe and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and advice on how to live your best life. Now, keep watching to find out why people use baking soda for health benefits. Number 8. Deodorant. I know most of us have our specific brand of deodorant, whether it be Axe or Old Spice, but I figured I'd tell you that baking soda can also be used for it as well. An article written by John Henderson Lamb, MD, at the Department of Dermatology and Syphilology School of Medicine, University of Oklahoma, provides a small but accurate study that sodium bicarbonate can be used as an underarm deodorant. The study was conducted on 63 senior medical students at the School of Medicine of University of Oklahoma. Once a week, that senior medical class was examined. 9 students at a time for a period of 1 month would use baking soda as underarm deodorant. At the end of the year, each student was given a questionnaire to fill out regarding their experience with baking soda as an underarm deodorant. The results indicated that 63 students said sodium bicarbonate was a good deodorant. The majority said it did not irritate their skin, and more than half said that they were still using the product. Try patting some baking soda onto your armpits and see if you notice a difference. Number 7. May slow down chronic kidney disease. Our kidneys are extremely important. They help remove excess waste and water from our blood. When people are suffering from chronic kidney disease, they slowly begin to lose function in their kidneys. A study published in the Journal of American Society of Nephrology wanted to see if there was any association between sodium bicarbonate and the reduction of chronic kidney disease. For the study, 134 patients with chronic kidney disease were given a dose of sodium bicarbonate for 2 years or standard care. Results showed that patients who were supplemented with sodium bicarbonate were significantly less likely to experience rapid progression. Number 6. Relieves itchy skin. According to the book Tips for Managing Treatment-Related Rash and Dry Skin, one of the best baths you can take is a lukewarm bath while adding 1 to 2 cups of baking soda. According to Medical News Today, baking soda can help promote the healing of rashes, soothe inflamed skin, and even reduce irritation and itching. Do you know any other household items that you can use to improve your life? Well, stick around till the very end to find out. Number 5. May improve exercise performance. According to an article published in the Journal of Food and Nutrition Sciences, sodium bicarbonate may be able to increase physical performance during high-intensity exercises. During high-intensity exercise, muscles keep up with the demand for energy by converting carbohydrate to lactic acid. A buildup of acid inside the muscle cells is partially responsible for muscle fatigue. Sodium bicarbonate is an alkalizing agent, which means it can reduce the acidity of the blood. By doing this, it could draw more of the acid produced in the muscles into the blood, which would reduce the acidity in the muscles and potentially delay fatigue. So, what do you think so far? Keep watching as we continue to count down the top ways baking soda can help your body. Number 4. Mouthwash. Mouthwash is a great addition to brushing your teeth. It can reach certain corners your toothbrush cannot get to. Not only that, but it can help keep your gums healthy. The reason why gums become swollen or bleed is because of the accumulation of plaque on your teeth, according to Dynamic Dental. But baking soda helps discourage plaque and prevent gum disease. Dissolve 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda in cold water to make a smooth mouth rinse. Number 3. Soothes canker sores. Anyone who's gotten a canker sore knows that they are painful and annoying. The good news is that baking soda can help relieve the pain and even get rid of it. According to an article published on PubMed, in 1973, a mouth clinic was opened at Sunnybrook Hospital. In a span of 7 years, over 3,000 patients visited that clinic. Most of those patients suffered from chronic ulceration, and therapy that each patient was doing was not working effectively. Treatment for chronic ulceration at the clinic was emphasized with baking soda mouthwashes and careful teeth cleaning to help minimize the accumulation of plaque. Results showed that out of every 10 patients they dealt with, 7 of them saw significant improvements. Number 2. Treating heartburn. The Cleveland Clinic explains that heartburn is caused when your stomach acid flows back into the food pipe or esophagus. If you want to get technical, when this occurs, you will feel an uncomfortable burning feeling in your chest that can spread to your neck and your throat. They add that you may also feel a bitter taste in the back of your throat as well. This can last between a few minutes and a few hours. To help with heartburn, people can use baking soda to help relieve the pain. According to an article written by Truven Health Analytics and published on PubMed, sodium bicarbonate, which is also known as baking soda, is widely used to help relieve heartburn and acid indigestion. It does this by neutralizing the excess stomach acid. They add that when it's used for this purpose, sodium bicarbonate belongs to a group of medicines called antacids, which neutralize stomach acidity. Do not give this to children who are 6 years old or younger unless your doctor prescribes it. In order to properly consume baking soda to relieve heartburn, dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of cold water, mix it thoroughly, and drink. Number 1. Whitening your teeth. If you're a cigarette smoker, you might want to try this one out. Each night before you go to bed, try mixing several teaspoons of baking soda with lemon juice or water to make a paste. Put the paste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth for 1 minute. After doing this for a few consecutive days, the stains on your teeth should improve. Further research that is published on PubMed can add merit to this claim. The study found on PubMed was a 6-week clinical study of 4 commercially available teeth cleaning pastes that claim to remove stains from teeth. The study was done to compare the efficiency of Colgate Tartar Control with baking soda and peroxide fluoride toothpaste, Aquafresh Advanced Whitening Toothpaste with fluoride, Rembrandt Tartar Control Low Abrasion Fluoride Whitening Toothpaste, and Crest Regular Fluoride Toothpaste. Each participant of the study was put into one of the 4 groups, which included age, gender, tobacco habits, and level of tooth stain. Each subject was instructed to brush their teeth for 1 minute, twice a day, with their assigned toothpaste. At the end of the 6-week study, participants using Colgate Tartar Control with baking soda and peroxide fluoride saw significantly lower levels of tooth stain. Now that you know how baking soda can help you in your everyday life, here are some more handy uses that you probably didn't know about everyday household items. Ketchup. Did you know that ketchup can help clean silver jewelry? That's right, it can. No need to spend money on expensive cleansers. To clean your silver jewelry with ketchup, just soak your jewelry in a bowl of ketchup for just a few minutes and voila. Newspaper. Got any funky, lingering smells in your fridge that you just can't seem to get rid of? Well, try placing newspaper inside the bins of your fridge and witness those funky smells disappear. Rubber bands. Busy moving things out of a room and can't open the door yourself because your hands are too full? Well, if this ever happens to you and you don't have anyone there to help you move things around or open and close the door for you, you might want to try this. To keep a door open, loop a rubber band around the inside and outside knobs of a door. Twist the elastic so that it's an X shape and holds the latch open. A penny. Do you love flowers but hate how quickly they die? Well, there is one item that may be able to solve your dead flower problems. The next time you buy a nice bouquet of flowers, drop a penny in the water in the vase and add a dash of sugar. Your flowers will stay alive longer. The reason pennies can keep flowers alive for longer periods of time is because copper is actually a fungicide and can naturally kill off bacteria and fungi that kill flowers. More you know. Now that you know what baking soda can do for your body, as well as some helpful uses to some other common household items, it's time to try them out. And what are some other household items that might make your day-to-day life easier? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.